Is your password 123? You might be laughing, but you'd be surprised how many people use super simple passwords. Let's talk about how to level up your online security in just 60 seconds. First off, stop reusing passwords. If one account gets compromised, a hacker could get into everything. I know, it's hard to remember dozens of different passwords. That's where passphrases come in. Instead of a short, complex password, think of a long, memorable sentence like, "My cat fluffilove." It's easy for you to remember but super tough for a computer to guess. Even better, use a password manager. These amazing tools create and store incredibly strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. You only need to remember one master password. It's like having a digital vault for your online life. Protect your digital world. Start using strong passphrases and a password manager today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.